Oh, what's up, fam? We just got in a couple of Tandemkross Krossfire bolts and matching Spartan charging handles. So I threw them in a couple of my rifles here. We're going to take them for a test ride and see how they do. And I'll be right back to tell you what I think.
I moved from Massachusetts because I couldn't be controlled. I moved from Massachusetts because it was cold. I moved from Massachusetts because I wanted to tenfold. I moved from Massachusetts because my house got sold. Straight out of Massachusetts. Straight out of Massachusetts. I moved to California. I heard it was a place to be. I moved to California, to the San Fernando Valley. I moved in with my mother, cause I could afford the rent. I moved to California, they thought I had a speech impediment. Straight out of Massachusetts. Straight out of Massachusetts. Straight out of Massachusetts. Straight out of Massachusetts. I moved from Massachusetts, cause I couldn't be controlled. I moved from Massachusetts. I moved from Massachusetts, cause I did what I was told. I moved from Massachusetts when I was 5 years old.
$1.99. I'll take it. Looks good to me. Tandemkross Krossfire bolt. Go to tandemkross.com. You know what? I'm not going to sit here and tell you to go buy something that isn't worth the money. Okay, so a lot of that footage was from yesterday with my open and my limited gun. I ran through 600 rounds of Blazer yesterday at the range. It took me a couple hours, but you know what? Each and every shell ejected perfectly. That's because of the upgraded ejector here on this bolt. I did not get one light strike on any of the ammo that I shot yesterday. So do yourself a favor and go over to tandemkross.com. Buy the Krossfire bolt for your 1022, and like I said, while you're at it, grab the Spartan charging handle. Super comfortable, super easy to grab onto. Don't worry, the weapon is clear. Take my word for it, okay? I'll see you on the range.